What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Roblox not loading properly. So, if you're having some problems here loading Roblox in your PC, well, there are a few things that you could try doing. So, first things first is you want to make sure that Roblox is fully shut down in your PC. So, to be speaking, what you need to do is you want to basically close or minimize your browser here, and you want to go ahead and search for the following. It's going to be Task Manager. Open it up. Now, what we need to do here is you want to look for Roblox. So you want to scroll down a bit here, and if you do see Roblox, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and basically right-click on it. Like for example, this is Roblox. You want to go and right-click on it and click on End Task. Now, again, you want to do this for any Roblox-related apps that you should be seeing in here. So once you've done that, the next thing that you want to do is you may want to clear the temporary files that you currently have right now for Roblox. So you want to go to search here, just type in run. And in here, what we need to do is you want to go ahead and type in the following. It's going to be percentage local app data percentage and hit on OK. This should open up a new folder. So you want to press any of the folders here, press R in your keyboard, or you just need to look for the Roblox folder. And you want to go and right click on it and just click on the delete option. Now, once you've deleted that, you want to go ahead and open up Roblox and see if that actually helps. Now, if that doesn't help you, the next thing that you want to do is you may want to basically change a few settings here. So you want to go to search here, just type in Roblox. You should see the Roblox player here. You want to go and right click on it, and you want to go and click on the open file location. Now, same thing, look for Roblox player, right click on it. And again, you want to look for the option here that says open file location until you see the Roblox player beta.exe. Now let's go ahead and right click on it, and you want to go ahead and choose the option here for properties. So let's go and click on properties. Now from here, you want to go ahead, by the way, make sure that you're selecting the .exe file here. So you want to go to properties, and you want to go to compatibility and just need to enable the following. It's going to be run program as administrator and click on disable full screen optimizations. Click on apply and OK and see if that actually helps. Now in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.